In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to archive and delete Trello lists and cards. If you're managing projects using Trello and want to keep your boards clean and organized, understanding how to archive and delete lists and cards is essential. Let's dive right in. Starting with accessing your Trello board via your desktop or the web, to begin with, you'll want to open up your Trello board where the card you wish to archive is located. Scroll through your lists until you locate the specific card. Once you've found it, click on the card to open its details. On the right-hand menu, you'll see several options. Look for the Archive button. Clicking this will remove the card from the active list, but don't worry, it's not gone forever. It's still saved within the board's archive. This means that if you need to revisit or reinstate it, you can easily do so from the archive section. Now, if you want to permanently delete a card, the first step is to archive it, as we just discussed. After it's archived, the delete option will then become available. Click on delete and you'll be prompted to confirm this action. Remember, once a card is deleted, it cannot be recovered, so make sure you're absolutely certain before you proceed with this step. Let's move on to archiving a list. Hover over the list name you want to archive and you'll see three dots, commonly known as the options menu. Click on this menu. Within these options, select Archive this list. Once you do this, all the cards within that list will also be archived, ensuring everything is tidied up from your board. This feature is particularly useful for projects or events that have concluded, helping you maintain a streamlined appearance on your Trello board. When it comes to deleting a list, Trello does not provide a direct delete button for lists. The functionality to outright delete a list doesn't exist, but there's an effective workaround. When you archive a list, it essentially performs the same task as deleting it. The list will be removed from your main board view. This helps in removing old or irrelevant lists without permanently deleting their contents from your Trello space. That's all there is to it. By following these steps, you can easily manage the information on your Trello boards. Whether it's archiving for future reference or deleting cards to declutter, these skills will help you maintain a well-organized and efficient workflow. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tips on project management and productivity tools.